is a one plate. This is second plate. We call this is a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Now this is connected to the bat. Connected to the bat. So next is batteries removed. Batteries removed. Batteries removed. Batteries removed. Batteries. That is, this is increased by n times. Increased by n times. N times. Increased by n times. Cross section of the plate. This is a C dash, Q dash, V dash, E dash, U dash. What is the value? C dash, V dash, E dash, E dash, U dash. This is the value. That is the value. Now, so value is first one is capacitance. Capacitance. Second one is charge. Charge. Next is potential. Potential. Next one is electric field. Electric field. Next one, third one is energy. Energy. That one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Energy. This is the first. Okay. Next here is the effect of area of cross-section area of the plate. This is the cross-section area of the plate. This is cross-section area of the plate. Your plate is increased. Increase n times. Plate is increased n times. Plate is increased n times. Now, your battery is connected. Your battery is removed. Battery is connected. This is the first plate. First plate is connected to positive terminal of this test. Second plate is connecting to negative terminal of the bat. Now, this plate is not connected to the positive terminal of the test. This plate is not connected to the negative terminal of the bat. Not connected. This is the batteries. Batteries removed. Batteries connected to the capacitor. Capacitor. So what is the capacitance value? Capacitance value. Now we're going to find out. We're going to find. Let's see. So what will happen? I'm saying in this situation, what is the general form of capacitor? C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is the general form. General formula of capacitor. This is the capacitor. Air is between the capacitor. Now this is the dielectric constant. Dielectric constant between the two plates is C is equal to K into epsilon naught A by D. This is the general formula. General formula. Air between the two plates is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. K, this is a dielectric. K indicates dielectric medium. Dielectric medium between the two plates is C is equal to K into epsilon naught A by D. A by D. That is the formula. That is the formula. What is the general formula? C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. A by D. For this one. For this one, general formula. Okay. Now, so here, effect of area of cross-sectional area of plate is increased by the n type. Increased by the n type. This is a general formula. This is general capacitor. General capacitor. C dash is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So, effect of area of cross-sectional area of plate is increased n times. Increase n times means what I'm increasing? Cross-sectional area. Area I'm increasing. How many times? So, n times I'm increasing. That means I'm writing here n into A I'm writing. N into A I'm writing. This is epsilon naught. This is A by D. I'm going to write this is C dash is equal to epsilon naught A by D means that is a C. I'm writing this is a n. Epsilon naught A by D means that is a C. What is the C dash value? C dash is equal to N. C dash is equal to NC. This is a still dash. This is a NC. NC. N into C. Capacitance is increases. C dash value is what is the C dash value? C dash value is NC. NC. Okay, that is capacitance B. Here area of the plate is I'm increasing. Area of the plate is I'm increasing. Area of the plate is increasing. Okay. So first one is this is a general capacitor, symbol capacitor. Symbol capacitor. This is general capacitor. This is C is equal to epsilon of A by D for this one. But this one is C dash is equal to what is the value? One plate is connected to positive plate, second plate is connected to negative plate. Here, this is the cross section area of the plate. Here, cross section area of the plate is increase. How many times here increase? N times increase. N times increase. Here, C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, but here, C is equal to C dash is equal to NC. This is increases. Capacitance increases. Here, plate is cross section area of A, but here, plate is cross section area is NA. NA. That's why capacitance increases. C dash increases. Now, battery is removed. Battery is removed. What will happen? Battery also removed. So, what is the capacitance increases or decreases? Capacitance increases or decreases? Whatever the value is, what will happen? C dash is put in. But here in this, battery is removed. Battery is connected. Battery is removed. What is the C dash value? And C is equal to general formula. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, first figure form. Battery is removed. Battery is removed means, so what is the C dash? C dash is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Area of the plate increase N into A times. N into A times. Epsilon naught into A by D means that is C dash by C dash is equal to N into epsilon naught A by D means what is the formula? C. I'm writing C. So what is the C dash value? C dash value is equal to C into N. C into N. This is N. I'm writing this is what is the meaning of this one? So first capacitor. What is the area of the plate? Area of the plate is, what is the cross section area of the plate? Cross section area of the plate is A. Cross section area of the plate is A. But here, cross section area of the plate is increased by N times. Here, cross section area of the plate is increased by N times. This is, these two plates are connected cell. These two plates are connected battery. These two plates are not connected to the battery. Not connected to the battery. What will happen? Your cross sectional area A, here, effect cross sectional area of the plate increased by N times. It is connected to battery. Capacitance increases or decreases? My question. Here, cross sectional area of the plate is increased by N times. This plate is not connected to battery. Capacitance increase or decrease? My question. Okay. This is a cross-sectional area of the plate. A indicates cross-sectional area of the plate are connected to battery. Here, cross-sectional area of the plate increased by N times. This is two plates are connected to battery. Cross-sectional area of the plate is increased N times. So these two plates are not connected to battery. This capacitance increases or decreases? This capacitance value may be increases, may be decreases. What is the value means? This capacitance value is increased. This capacitance value also increased. That is the point. This is the point. Okay. Na? So next charge. Next is charge. Next is charge. Okay. In this situation, charge. Charge is what going to write. General formula of the charge is, for this one, general formula. What is the charge? Charge is CV is equal to Q mass. CV is equal to Q. CV is equal to Q formula for this one. For this one, Q dash. Q dash is equal and C dash and B dash and B dash. This is the formula. V is constant. V is constant. Battery is connected to the cell means V is constant. V is constant. Keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. Here, V is constant. Battery is connected means V is constant. Battery disconnected means Q is constant. Keep in your mind these 2 points. Constant. Constant. Keep in your mind. This is the Q dash and C dash. C dash means N, C, and V. Q dash and CV means what is the CV? CV is equal to Q. I'm writing, and this is Q dash is equal to N. What is the charge here? Charge here charge is Q is equal to CV, but here charge is Q dash is equal to NQ. Charge is increase. Charge also increase. How much increase? The charge is N into Q. N into Q times increase. Battery is connected to the capacitor. Charge is increase. N times increase. But capacitors are capacitor is not connecting to the battery. What is the Q? Q is constant. Q is constant. Q is constant. So what is the charge value? Charge value does not change. Does not change. So what is the charge here? Here also charge is same. Here also in this situation charge, in the situation charge, both are same. Both are same. There is no difference. Plates are not connected to the battery means Q is constant. Plates is connecting to the cell, potential is constant. Keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. Okay. Okay now. So this is a cross-section area of the plate increased by N times, but potential is constant. Potential is constant. Cross-section area of the plate N into A. N into A means area of cross-sectional of the plate increased by N times. Area of cross-section of the plate increased by N times means what is the potential? Constant. Does not increase, does not decrease. This constant value. Constant value. But here, two plates is not connecting to the battery. So what is the potential? Potential maybe increases, maybe decreases. We have to check. We have to check it. What is the formula we have? C dash is equal to, what is the formula? CV is a Q. This is a first general formula. Next, I need C dash. C dash V dash is equal to, here Q is constant. Q is constant. Q is constant means C dash and universally proportional V dash. V dash. So here, so already C dash is increased. C dash increases, V dash means decreases by N times. We are writing V by N. V by N. You say this is a C dash. N into C. N into C means increase. This is a decrease. We are going to write V by N. V by N times degree. Potential decreases. Plates are not connecting to the cell. Potential degree. Potential degree. This is next electric field. So electric field also here constant. Electric field also constant. Potential is constant means electric field also constant. Keep in your mind. Potential is turn off. Electric field also turn off. Potential is present in the circuit means electric field is present. Potential is turn off means electric field is also turn off in this condition. Keep in mind. Next, electric field. Electric field also constant. But here is electric field is we have to check. Electric field is we have to check. So what is the relation? We have the relation ED is equal to V. VD is equal to V. This is a formula. So E dash and d distance d and v is not constant in this situation. This is a v dash. So already what is the v dash here? E dash by d is equal. V dash means what is the v dash? V by n. V by n. So here d means constant. D means constant. So what is the value of E value? E the value. Electric field is equal to. We have the formula for this one. So electric field is for this one general. ED is equal to B. This is the formula. This is formula. Plates are connecting to the cell means electric field is constant. Plates are not connecting to the battery. Plates are not connecting to the battery. What is the electric field? The electric field general formula ED is equal to V. E dash and D dash and V dash. V dash is here not constant. So V dash means already we have the formula, that is V by N. V by N. Okay, nothing happens. Directly I'm going to write. So D is constant. Distance between the two plates is constant. I'm not changing. Distance between the plate is constant. Distance between the plate is constant. What is the we have the formula? D dash, V dash, D dash, V dash. Here, distance between the two plates here, distance between the two plates is constant. Same. Same means we are going to write E dash directly proportional V dash. E dash directly proportional V dash. That means what is the meaning of this one? V dash decreases, E dash decreases. That is the meaning of. Your relation is, what is the relation? Distance between the two plates. Here, distance between the two plates is constant. Three diagrams is D is constant. But we have the relation. What is the relation? We have E is equal to D into V. That is this is formula for this one. For this one, E dash D dash V. We have the relation D is equal to D dash. That's why E dash directly proportional V dash. This is a V dash. What is the meaning of this one? V directly proportional E dash. Directly proportional. Already V by N. This is the E by N also. N times degrees. N times degrees. Keep it in mind. This. Next. Energy. Last. Energy. Energy means what is the energy formula of CV square? Of CV square. Of CV square. Here energy is, what is the formula of CV square? I'm writing energy. For first diagram, general formula is UV is equal to of CV square. Of CV square. For this one, energy. So what is the energy for this one? That is U dash is equal to of CV square. Already what is the C dash? C dash is, I'm writing C dash and V is constant. I'm not changing V. Okay, U dash is equal to 1 by 2. C dash means, what is the C dash? N C and V square, I'm right. V square, I'm 1 by 2 and C and V square, I'm going to write that is U dash is equal to N into 1 by 2 CV square means, what is the general formula of the capacitor? U. I'm writing this one. So energy increases N times. Energy increasing this time. The energy is increased by the N times. Okay. Two plates are connecting to the battery means energy increases. Two plates are not connecting to the battery. Energy maybe increases, maybe decreases. We have to find. How can we find out? You see. How can we find out? You see. That is U dash. U dash is equal to 1 by 2. C dash. V is not constant. 2 is constant. That is a V dash square. Here, only Q only constant. But V is variable. C is also variable. N is also variable. I'm writing C dash is equal to 1 by 2. C dash means, what is the C dash? C dash is equal to NC. V dash square. V dash square means, what is the V dash square? V by N whole square. I'm right. Okay, this is a U dash is equal to 1 by 2 N C. This is a V square by n square. V square by n square. N cancel. U dash is equal to 1 by 2. CV square by n. We are going to write this is energy. What is the general formula of energy formula? U by n. Energy is energy decreases by n times. Energy decreases by n times. This is a formula. One basic formula is keeping in mind battery is connected means potential constant, electric field is constant. Battery is removed from the circuit means Q is constant. Based on this one, we are going to draw this. Okay, now plate. This is a plate. This is a N into A plate. This is N into A plate. These plates are connecting to the battery. These two plates are not connecting to the battery, not connecting to the battery. The capacitance increases, charge increases, V is constant, E is constant, energy is increasing n times. Capacitor are not connecting to the battery. Q is capacitance increases n times. Charge is constant and potential decreases n times. Electric field decreases n times. Energy decreases by the n times. This is the formula. This is formula. This is very, very, very important. Very, very important. Okay. So keep it. This is the effect of area of cross section of the plate in this n times. Next, distance. I'm taking the distance. Effect of distance. Effect of distance. Distance between the plates. Between the plates. Between the plates. Plates increases by the n times. Increases by the n times. Keep in mind. I'm going to explain. I'm going to explain. Same V is constant, E is constant. Battery is connected to the two plates. V is constant, E is constant. Keep it up. Battery is removed means Q is constant. Q is constant. This is a amount of charge stored in the capacitor. Amount of the charge is stored in the capacitor. Capacitor is electric device. It is stored large amount of the charge in the form of electric field. This is battery is connected means this is positive potential, this is a negative potential. Potential difference is constant and electric field also constant. Keep in mind that point. These 2 points keep in mind. That is a very, very, very important. Okay. Now we are going to plate. A distance between the plates increases. We can check it. Their plates. Before is area, here plate, distance between the two plates. Here generally I'm checking distance between the two plates is d mark. Here I'm taking n times distance between the two plates increases. Distance between two plates is d. Here distance between the two plates is increased n times. Here distance between the two plates is increased n times. Increasing n times. Increasing n times. Okay now. So what is the question? The effect of distance between the plates increasing by n times. Here distance between two plates is d. Here distance between the two plates is n times increases. Distance between the plates increases by the n times. What is the C dash? What is Q dash? What is V dash? What is E dash? What is Q dash? Maybe increases, maybe decreases, maybe constant. We have to find out. Similarly, here distance between plates increasing by n times. What is the C dash? Q dash, V dash, E dash, U dash. Values may be increases, decreases. Keep in your mind, battery is connecting to the cell. Battery is connecting to the parallel plate means V is constant, E is also constant. Keep in your mind that. Battery is removing from the circuit means Q is constant. Q is constant. That is keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. Okay. This is the capacitance. Now, so what is the capacitance value? C is equal to epsilon naught A by D formula for this one. Formula for this. I'm writing here only clearly. First one is, what is the first one? Capacitance. Capacitance. Next, charge. Next, potential. Electric potential. Electric field. Electric energy. Energy. Okay, this is given. Here, this is the general capacity. What is the C is equal to epsilon naught A by D? D means distance between the two plates. A means cross section area of the plate. 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 C means capacitor. Epsilon naught means medium between the two plates. Medium between the two plates. Now, what is the difference between these two diagrams? Your distance D, but your distance N into D. But this is a C dash. I'm taking epsilon naught A by D. This is a general formula I'm writing. This general formula applying to here C dash, epsilon naught A cross section area of the plate is both are same. A only. There is no change. Distance between the two plates is that is N into D. N into D. So this is epsilon naught. This is a epsilon naught A by D. That is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Epsilon naught A by D means C. I'm writing. This is C dash is equal to C by epsilon naught A by D means C by N. C by N. Capacitance is distance between the this is two plates. Distance is D, but here distance is integers. Capacitance degrees. Capacitance value is degrees. Capacitance value is degrees. Final conclusion is, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is C dash is equal to C by N. Answer is C by N. This is a C dash value. C dash value. It's forward. The distance between the two plates is D. Distance increasing between the two plates, capacitance decrease. Capacitance decrease in this case. Now, in this case, what is the formula? Here C is equal to epsilon naught A by D form. This is the general formula. General formula applies to this circuit. What is the C value? C dash epsilon naught A by D. D means distance between the two plates is distance between two plates is N into D. This is epsilon naught A by D. That means C we are going to write. C we are going to write. That is C dash is equal to epsilon naught A by D means we are going to write C by N. C by N. That means C dash value is equal to C by N. Capacitance degree N. Capacitance degree N. Distance between the two plates is increased. These two plates are not connecting to the battery means capacitance decreases in time. Distance between two plates is increasing and time. These two plates are connecting to the battery. Capacitance degree. Capacitance degree. Capacitance degree. Okay, that is the value. Okay, next value we have to check. Next value, your V and V is constant, potential constant, and E also constant. V is constant, E also constant. Or Q also constant. Q also constant. Okay. Now next one. Charge. Simple formula is Q is equal to CV is equal to Q. Here CV is equal to Q. Here CV is equal to Q. V is constant. C is equal to Q. C is equal to Q. I'm writing CV is equal to Q. Here V is constant. V is constant means C directly. C is equal to Q. This is a C dash. This is a V dash. What is a C dash? C dash is C by N. This is a Q dash. That is a okay. This is the way we are going to write. So what we are going to write? Very simple. This is the CV is equal to Q. General formula is CV is equal to Q. Here I am writing CV is equal to Q. This is Q is constant. Q is constant and equal. This is I am writing C directly proportional Q. This is a C dash Q dash. I am applying C dash Q dash. V is constant is equal to this is I am placing directly proportional. Q dash directly proportional C dash. C dash directly proportional Q dash. C dash means what is the C dash? C by N. But Q dash means Q by N. Q by N. This is Q. Both are directly proportional means capacitance decreases. Charge also decreases. Q directly proportional Q dash means C also decreases N times. C directly proportional Q dash means Q dash also decreases by N times. That is for this one here. CV is equal to Q. Q dash, C dash, V dash. Q is constant. Q is constant means C inversely proportional 1 by V dash. 1 by V dash. C dash means C by N. But V dash is V dash. I mean Q dash. Q is constant. Oh, Q is constant. Nothing happens. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Q is constant. Q is constant. Q is constant. Q is constant. Here, Q is constant. Now, potential. Potential is constant. Directly, I'm writing potential is constant. Potential is constant. Next, potential. Here, potential is we have to check. V is equal to C by Q. Here, V dash is equal to C dash by Q dash. I need a V dash. C dash value is, what is the C dash value? C by N. Q dash value is Q. So what is the V dash is equal to C by N Q. This is, we are going to write V. V by N. I'm right. V by N. That is the degree. Q is constant. Your Q is constant, ma? Q is constant. Q is constant. V directly proportional C dash. C dash value is C by N. C by N. Okay. Similarly, you have to write this is also electric field is degrees E by N times. This is the electric field is constant. Here is U by N, and this is also NU. Okay. You have to do like same procedure you can apply. Okay. So keep in mind, say energy is energy. What is the energy? Energy. Energy is this is what is the energy? U by N, U by N, U by N. Okay. So this is answer. Okay, next concept. Next concept, work done, work done to introduce, introduce or remove dielectric slab, dielectric slab, dielectric slab. Work done to introduce or remove dielectric slab, dielectric slab, dielectric slab. So first one is by keeping, by keeping batteries still on connected, by keeping, by keeping batteries, batteries, batteries still on connection, still on connection, still on connection, still on connection, still on connection. Connection means this is a capacitor, capacitor. This is a capacitor. First plate is connected to positive terminal of the cell. Second plate is connected to negative terminal of the cell. Negative terminal of the cell. Next, the first plate is connected to positive terminal of the cell. Second plate is connected to negative. So by keeping dielectric slab, that is the case. Here air is between. Air between two plates. Dielectric slab between two plates. Air between two plates. Dielectric slab is placed between the two plates. So what is the energy formula? Initial energy is equal to half CV square. For this is initial energy is equal to initial energy, final energy. Here air is between the two plates means C. Here dielectric slab between the two plates means that is half K CV square. That is a formula. We have one more formula, that is Q square by 2C formula. Energy formula. This is another energy formula. This is the energy formula in the CV. This is energy stored in a capacitor in the form of QC. In the form of QC. This is the Q square by QC. Q square by QC. This is the final energy. This is a Q square by, this is a 2 Kc. 2 Kc. 2 Kc. So we are going to explain, for example, this is energy. Initial final energy is equal to Q squared by 2C. This is a Q means we know very well. Q means KQ whole squared by 2KC. 2K. Final energy is equal to, for this one, final energy is equal to K square Q squared by, that is the 2KC. KK cancel. U final is equal to KQ squared by QC. This is the final. That is the final energy. Final energy is equal to, so final energy is equal to 1 by 2 KQ squared by 2C. That is the, that is the energy. That is the energy. This is the 2C. How we are getting? This is a formula do you know very well. So what is the formula of final energy is equal to Q squared by 2C. Dielectric slab introduced means this is a KQ whole square. This is a KC. This is a K square Q square by 2 KC. K cancel. That is a final energy. Final energy. Final energy. What is the work done? Work done to introduce or remove the dielectric slab. So first condition is energy. W is equal to final energy minus initial energy. That is, final means 1 by 2 KCV square minus initial energy means 1 by 2 CV square. That is 1 by 2 and CV square take common K minus 1. K minus 1. This is a work done. That is a work done. Work done. This is the first one. Next, I'm applying the next another form. So work done is equal to final energy minus initial energy. Final energy means 1 by 2 K Q square by 2C. 2C minus Q initial energy means Q square by 2C. Just we have to take 1 by 2 C Q square take common K minus 1. That is the number. This is but keeping battery still on the connection. Connection is battery is connected to the plate. Battery is connected to the plate. Here air is between the two plates. Dielectric between the two plates. Dielectric between the two plates. This is the initial energy, final energy. Initial energy, final. That is work is equal to 1 by 2 CV square K minus 1. This is the Q square by 2C K minus 1. K minus 1. This is the energy. Second one is battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected. Next, second situation, battery disconnected. Next situation, next one. Battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected. Case number 2, battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected. Disconnected. And dielectric slab is introduced. Introduced. Dielectric slab is introduced. Dielectric slab is introduced. Now connection is, what is the connection? Here already I told you, here potential is, here V potential, this is a potential is V by 2. Battery is connected means what is the potential is constant. Here remove means V by 2. That is the V by K. V by K. V by K. V by K. This is how V by K. What is the energy? U initial is equal to half CV square. Here U final is equal to half CV square. V square means U final is equal to 1 by 2. V means what is a V? V by K whole square. V by K whole square. Okay, whole square. This is a okay. See, initial energy is equal to half CV squared. Final energy is equal to 1 by 2 C V squared by K squared. V squared by K squared. V squared by K squared. Now, work done is equal to final energy minus initial energy. Final energy means 1 by 2 C V squared by K squared minus 1 by 2 C V squared. CV squared. In this form, in this two terms, which one is common? Of CV squared take common 1 by K squared minus 1. K squared minus 1. This is a work term. That is a work term. Next, in the form of energy, U is equal Q squared by 2C. Q squared by 2C. Q squared by 2C. So next, the final energy means Q squared by 2Kc. 2K. 2Kc. Sorry, ma. Here, small mistake. Here also came a KK cancel. And KK cancel means remaining U final is equal to 1 by 2 and CV squared by K. CV squared by K. This is this is this is a work done is equal to final minus initial. Final minus initial. Q squared by 2Kc minus Q squared by 2. W is equal to Q squared by 2C 1 by K minus 1. 1 by K minus 1. This is your work done. This is a work. This is a very important. Very important in the competition. Okay. Thank you very much, ma. Tomorrow I will explain next concept. Today class is over. Thank you.